Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to fade audio using CapCut. Now let's begin. Right here I have already imported an audio file. I'm simply gonna click and drag it to the timeline. Well, as you can see on the top right corner, there's a menu bar opening from where you can directly fade in and fade out right now. But for instance, you want to do a custom fade in and fade out. Well, here's something you can do about it. I'm simply gonna add a keyframe right here at the beginning. Decrease the volume, and from another point in the timeline, I'm gonna add another keyframe. Let's increase the volume right now, and that's kind of how you do a fade in. Now again, another keyframe, decrease the volume, and a fade out. Let's play the audio file. Well, that's about it guys. That's how you do your fade in and fade out in CapCut. Well, now let's look at the web version. Right here I have an audio file already added to the timeline. Simply click on the audio file and you can see a menu bar popping up right here. Let's click on this basic settings. And as you can see, there are keyframes right here. The process is quite same to that of the CapCut PC version. Simply add a keyframe, decrease or increase volume depending whether you want to fade in or fade out. Right now I'm going to show you guys fade in, so I'm going to decrease the volume, add another keyframe, and change the volume to 0. That is the initial value. Now I'm simply going to play it. You can do fade out as well. And that's about it guys. That's it for the video. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.